Hi, welcome to my channel where I'll be posting content related to food and products. If you're new here, hey, follow my other channel Janvika Academy to know more about me. Today, I'm chopping a watermelon, a great source for hydration and vitamin C that's needed for collagen production. It is also a great source of antioxidants which can fight free radicals in the body. Watermelons belong to the same family as cucumbers and bottle gourd, the Cucurbitaceae family. With 92% water, it provides electrolytes such as potassium, a great snack that is extremely low on calories. Stay tuned for the next videos on Chopping with Me series. Until then, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.